Out with the old, in with the new. Well guys, here she is, my all new 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn Night Edition. What's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. Today we're going to introduce to the channel my all new 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn Night Edition. And yes, here it is. It's finally arrived. I've been talking about this truck for the last couple months on the channel. So basically in today's video, I'm gonna do a walk around, show you the ins and outs of the truck. I'll save the review video for another video. Basically what I wanna do today is show you guys the differences between this one and my old truck, which is a 2019 Ram 1500. So first things first, obviously on the new truck, this is a night edition, where my old truck did not come as a night edition. My old truck, I plasti-dipped all the emblems to make it look like a night edition, except for I had the white grille. And to be honest with you, I like the white grille better on my 2019 Sport Appearance package rather than the all black grille. Okay guys, so I like the black grille, the gloss black grille. However, I don't care for this gloss black piece that goes in between the grille and the hood. If that was painted white, I feel like the front end of this truck would look a lot better. I think what I'm gonna do is have my buddy come over and wrap the top piece there gloss white. I think that'll look a lot better in the front here. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts of this new blacked out edition, the night edition on these Rams. I just wish they would have, the design team would have thought this over a little bit better and made this piece here white versus black, but they were trying to murder it out and make it look as stealth as possible, or stormtrooper rather. But overall, I love the new truck. It's definitely a lot nicer as far as options go, and I'm going to get into those here in just a second. So like I mentioned, this is the night edition, so everything comes blacked out from the factory. You get the blacked out grille, the black wheels, the blacked out hood accent here with 1500, you know, Hemi 5.7 liter, the blacked out Ram logo. And then what's cool about the tail lights and the headlights, I'll get to that in a second, is it comes with gloss black center here, where that's your reverse light, and this is where like the blind spot monitors are, and also black trim around the tail lights. It makes it look really nice. You also have the blacked out emblems in the back, which I'm probably gonna debadge the back here and just keep the Ram logo and get rid of the 4x4 and the Bighorn. And it also comes with black exhaust tips. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but on my old truck those were silver. And that's basically it on the exterior of this truck. Oh, let's go around to the front here and show you the headlights. So that I had the LED headlights in my 2019 Ram as well, but on the 2020, the inside of the bezel is black. It's painted black. I don't know if you can tell in the camera there, but that's part of the night edition, is the blacked out headlights, and I really do like that on the new 2020. All right guys, so I know a lot of you are thinking this truck did not just come off the lot. There's no way. It does not come with those tires, and the offset here and the stance of the truck does not come like this from the factory, and that is correct. What I did was, when I turned in my old 2019 Ram, I had them swap the BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires I had on it, which if you've been following me for a while on the channel, you'll know that I put those tires on my 19 Ram. So when I turned that truck in, I wanted to keep those nice tires, so I had them swap the tires off of the night edition, put them on the old truck, and then put the these tires off my old truck on the new truck. So yeah, I swapped the tires out, and I also added the 2-inch spacers that I had on my 19 Ram as well. I like the stance it gives the truck. It makes it look more tough, and I just really like the stance of the truck with the wheel spacers on there. I know a lot of guys don't like the wheel spacers, but I think the truck looks a lot better with spacers on it. So I went ahead and threw the wheel spacers on and the BF Goodrich KO2 tires off my 19 Ram on the new 2020. Another thing I did was add my tonneau cover off the 19 Ram onto the 20. And this is a Truxedo Pro X15, if you guys were wondering. So I went ahead and swapped that over before turning the old truck in. Other than those three things, the tonneau cover, the tires, and the wheel spacers, this is exactly how the truck comes off the lot. Now, I know some of you guys are wondering, why aren't you doing a taking delivery video, you know, of the truck at the dealership? Well, if any of you have bought a vehicle within the last 5-6 months, ever since this whole coronavirus crap has been going around, it is very tough and difficult to buy a vehicle at a dealership with all the rules and regulations and state orders and executive orders and all this crap. It's just really difficult to buy a new vehicle. So what I did was, the truck came in, my buddy from the dealership texts me and says, yep, we have your truck here, blah, blah, blah. He ended up delivering the truck to me at my work with all the paperwork in hand. So I signed all the paperwork outside, you know, and handed it off to him, and he handled all the paperwork, and I got to take the truck home from work. Let me know your thoughts on this truck, guys. I don't know if I'm sold on it yet. I love the new truck. Obviously, it's a brand new truck. It's got more options than my last one, and I'll show you that here in just a second. But I really liked the chrome wheels on my 19 Bighorn for stock wheels. I really liked them, especially when I added the BFG tires. They really stood out, and I really liked them. And obviously, like I mentioned before, I liked my old grill better, the painted white grill. But you know what, this is growing on me now that I have it tinted. This truck is definitely growing on me, and this grill is growing on me because it flows a lot better. I'm thinking about wrapping the roof gloss black. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on that. I think it'll look a lot better with the roof wrapped gloss black, so I might do that. So yeah, as I mentioned, I did have the truck tinted the next day right after I got it, and I ended up going with 35% on the windshield and 5% all the way around, even over the factory 20 in the rear. And that's usually how I tint my trucks. I like it super dark in there. And speaking of that, we're gonna move on to the inside now. And I'm basically gonna go over a few options without going into too much detail on the different options that this truck has versus my 19 Ram. And as you guys can see right here, the biggest upgrade that this truck has that my 19 didn't is the 12-inch screen. Ram definitely killed it on this one, guys. I love it. My dad's Laramie has this screen, my buddy's Laramie has it as well, and I was like, my next truck has to have the 12-inch big screen in it. So I was able to get a Bighorn with the big screen, which they're really rare. A lot of dealerships don't order Bighorns with the big screen because I think it's like a $2,500 option. And we'll go over the pricing of the vehicle and all that in a different video with the window sticker and everything else in my review video. But basically just showing you guys that it has the big screen, and it also has the panoramic sunroof. Check that out, guys. Let's go further back with that. The whole roof is glass. Like, how sweet is that in a pickup truck? So the reason why I would want to go with a gloss black roof is because the glass obviously is gloss black from the outside, and it'll just flow a lot better. I thought about going with a satin black roof to match the satin black wheels and to match the satin black emblems on the truck, but I think a gloss black roof would look better. It'd flow better with the glass. You know, obviously that being shiny, the roof being shiny, I think it'll flow a lot better. So make sure you guys stay tuned for more videos on this truck. I have a lot planned for this truck. I have tons of content coming on this truck. I just ordered a bunch of stuff for it, so stay tuned. You're not gonna want to miss this. I'm gonna make this truck look even better than my 19. If you've been following my channel for a while, you've been seeing the different updates to my last Ram. Just wait, I have a lot more in store for this new 2020 Ram. Some of you guys might be wondering if I'm rubbing at all with these 285 60 20 BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain tires on here with the 2-inch spacers. And my answer to you is yes, I'm rubbing pretty bad actually. I can only turn the wheel about a quarter of the way, like basically get one full turn and that's it, and in forward and reverse. And what happens is the lugs on the tires here hit this inner fender well here, and it rubs pretty bad to where I'm afraid that I'm gonna rip that little, not mud flap, but you know, little black piece off there. So I gotta be super careful turning in and out of parking lots and in and out of the driveway and stuff. But I have coming up here soon, it's on order, it's almost here, I think it'll be here tomorrow, which is my 2.5-inch MotoFab leveling kit that I had on my 19 Ram. I ordered a new kit for the 20, and it's the same kit, but I just figured I'd order the new, you know, have new parts on the new truck instead of taking the old leveling kit off my old truck and put it on this. So stay tuned for that video. I will be doing a 2.5-inch MotoFab leveling kit on my 2020. Once I put the 2.5-inch leveling kit on this truck, I won't have to worry about any more rubbing. My last truck, I had the same setup, the 20-inch wheels with 285 60 BFG KO2 tires, and I didn't rub at all. In forward or reverse, I could turn it all the way, full turn, full lock, right and left. Didn't have any rubbing issues whatsoever, so I can't wait to get the leveling kit on. Plus, leveling kits just make these trucks look so much better. Like, why, I don't know why they don't come level from the factory. That's one of my biggest pet peeves of these trucks, is how they sit. They sit like this. Like, come on, make it level. I don't know why they don't do that, but no worries. Nothing that a 2.5-inch MotoFab leveling kit can't fix. So we're gonna get that on the truck first. That'll be the first mod for the truck, and you guys are going to want to stay tuned for more content on this truck. Like I said, I have a lot of parts ordered up for it already. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm not going to spoil it here just yet, but make sure you guys stay tuned. I have a lot coming for this truck, guys. It's going to be bigger and better than my 19 ever was, so make sure you guys stay tuned for all that. I've been super busy at work. That's why I have been lacking on content for you guys. I have a lot of content coming. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I have not forgot about YouTube. I've still been filming over the last couple months that I haven't been posting. I just haven't had time to edit the videos, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I greatly appreciate all your support on the channel. I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. Just want to let you guys know that right now. And I do enjoy making these videos for you guys. So that's going to do it for today's upload. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Peace!